front of me is Google Pixel 9a, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on this icon of a color palette at the top of it. Then click on one of those themes to select the perfect one for you. Manage keyboarders thanks to this switcher and hit apply. To customize it though, tap on the same color palette and this time use this plus under my themes. Now tap on a photo you wish to apply as your new keyboard's background. Pinch it to scale, drag it to move and hit next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Hit done. Manage keyboarders and choose apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!